just nipping at your nose.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my entryway Christmas decor with you guys. If you're looking for ideas to decorate your entryway, hopefully this video will inspire you. So I'm going to start with my entryway table right here. So what I did first is I added this long 9-foot garland that I got from Walmart on my entryway table. So this goes all the way down on my entryway table. It doesn't come with lights, so I decided to add some string lights that I got from Amazon, and it is battery operated, and it also comes with a remote, so it makes it easy to access. And I can also set it on a timer. I have it on a 6-hour timer. So I added my ornaments. This one is a leftover ornament from my tree, and then I have my Dollar Tree ornaments that I put in a cluster, and I placed them randomly around my garland, so it goes all the way down the garland. This one here, I actually didn't put it together. I just kind of laid it on the garland, and it looks really good. And then over here, I have my 3 candlesticks that I got from QVC and my tree cones that I got from Ross. So all I did was I took the cones and I placed it on the candle holder, and it looks really good. It's very simple, but yet it's really nice. So as you can see the garland going down, I did add all of my ornaments, and I also added this fur that I had left over from my tree just to add a little bit of ribbon to the garland. And I also added my Dollar Tree ornaments on the other side, the left hand side, and the faux fur ribbon that I got from Big Lots, and this poinsettia at the top. And on the floor to the left hand side, I have 2 decorative finial just to add a little bit more of that Christmassy feel, and I absolutely love the way this looks. It's really simple. So now I'm going to share my staircase decor with you guys. So when I was putting this together, I wanted something that was really dramatic because I don't have a Christmas tree in my entryway, and I think this actually did that really well. I layered a lot, but I absolutely love the way this looks, and I'll share that with you guys. Everything that I did, I started off with a 9-foot long garland that went all the way to the top. There's a swag right there, and then there's another swag at the top just to make it more full. I did the cluster ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I also used some Dollar Tree picks to make it look very full. And this poinsettias, I got it from Amazon. It came in a pack of 12. I used the Dollar Tree berries, and as you can see, the cluster ornaments again, and it came out to be really beautiful. I'm actually really happy with this. So to secure everything into place, I used Dollar Tree ties. This green ties are from the Dollar Tree, and it's held up pretty nice. I haven't had any problems with it coming down. My ribbons came from Big Lots, the gold one and the faux fur, they both came from Big Lots. This second one here is actually part of the swag that I added to make it look really full. So the ottomans under my entryway table is actually from my family room. I had a blue one here if you remember, but I switched it out with this cream one just to kind of keep it neutral here for the holiday, and I really love the way everything looks. So the colors that I used are gold, white, silver, and yeah, I think that's basically all the colors. I'm so happy with the way this looks. And on that door, I have a snowflake that I got from Ross hanging on the door. And I hope this inspires you as you continue to decorate for the holiday. Let me know what you guys think. I have a few more Christmas decorating videos coming for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care and have a blessed week. Bye-bye.